Looking for a spicy, flavorful homemade chicken fry? Today we are making a special chicken fry recipe that is my nephew's absolute favorite. He was so excited that he even helped explain the ingredients to you all. So grab a pen
Please
and
tell
note
the
down.
ingredients.
Onion, this is coriander seeds, this is lemon, this is garlic, this is green chilli, and this is small pieces of ginger, and this is dry chilli, and this is curry leaves, and this is coriander leaves. First we have to cook the onion in the stove directly.
As he said, first we burn 2 onions directly on the stove. This gives the dish a nice smoky flavor. Once the onions are roasted well, remove the burnt outer layer and keep them aside to cool down. Take a frying pan and add 1 spoon of coriander seeds, around 5 to 8 dry red chillies, 1 spoon of cumin seeds and 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Dry roast them on a low flame until they release a nice aroma. Once roasted, keep the spices aside and allow them to cool. Meanwhile, chop the burnt onions into big pieces once they have cooled down. Now take a mixer jar and add the roasted onions, 4 small pieces of ginger and 5 garlic cloves. Also add the roasted spices and grind everything together into a flavorful paste. Now take 1 kg of chicken and wash it thoroughly. Squeeze half a lemon over the chicken and add 1 spoon of salt. Mix it well and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Next, add the freshly prepared spice paste and mix everything very well so that the chicken is nicely coated with the masala. Keep the chicken in the refrigerator and allow it to marinate for about 1 hour. This helps the chicken absorb all the flavors and makes the fry even more delicious. After marination, take a big frying pan and place it on the stove. Let the pan heat up, then add about 6 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 thinly sliced onions and fry them until they become soft and slightly golden. Then add 4 green chillies and saute for few seconds. Next, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Now add the marinated chicken into the pan and mix everything nicely with the onions and spices. Stir everything well, close the lid and let the chicken cook on a medium flame. Make sure to check in between and give it a good stir so that the chicken cooks evenly and does not stick to the pan. Once the chicken is fully cooked, you can adjust the salt if needed and garnish it with fresh curry leaves and coriander leaves. And that's it. Our delicious, spicy homemade chicken fry is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy this flavorful dish with your family. And let me know in the comments how it turned out. Until we meet next time, stay curious and stay happy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Meghi Smiles and Trends.